I want to let you guys know about my May special. This is limited edition flavors and formulas that are only available until they run out. I cannot reorder these. So this is just a special pack that I like to put together so that you can try a bunch of new stuff. If you're brand new to ketones, this would be perfect. The first two things that we have are our original formula ketones. They are available in Orange Dream that tastes like a creamsicle. This one has extra MCT oil, so extra healthy fats added, and it will help keep you fuller for longer. It's good mixed just with water. This is another one of our original flavors. It doesn't have the extra MCTs added. It is chocolate swirl flavor, which has a light Tootsie Roll flavor. I do not recommend mixing this up with plain water because it does not taste good like that. But it is delicious mixed with cold brew coffee, almond milk, half a scoop of your favorite low carb protein powder even is really delicious. This is also our Keto OS formula in chocolate swirl. I'm actually going to suggest that you use these two together. This is Keto Cream in our exclusive Nutty Keto Man flavor. These two together with 8 ounces of cold brew coffee, 8 ounces of water, and lots of ice is delicious. We call it mermaid tears. I have a whole video about it, and I drink it every morning for breakfast. Together, this is your ketones and your healthy fats and your collagen, and it makes a complete meal. Now we get to our advanced formula. Keto Max is created for people who work out regularly. This formula has more ketones per serving, and it also has added BCAAs. So if you're somebody who works out regularly, it's great. Also, the flavors for Max are a tiny bit tastier. There's a lot more options, and people generally seem to like this mixed with plain water better than the other two mixed with plain water. This is Maui Punch. It tastes just like Hawaiian Punch. It can be a little sweet at first. Just dilute it. Raspberry lemonade is just like it sounds. It's one of the most popular flavors, and it's one of my favorite flavors. It's not too sweet, but it tastes delicious. Mix it with plain water, and it's good. Swiss Cacao. So this flavor is very similar to the chocolate swirl. I don't recommend that you mix this with plain water. I think it's best mixed with almond milk and half a scoop of your favorite low carb or zero carb protein powder and chocolate. That's pretty tasty. Or you can even mix it into cold brew coffee with ice and make yourself a fat burning iced coffee. Splash is one of our new Max flavors. They just added it to the permanent lineup, so you can get this at any time. It is a grapefruit flavor. So if you like Fresca, you're gonna love this. You can mix it with plain water. You can mix it with sparkling water. It's delicious. I saved the best Max for last. This is Heart Tart, and it's so good that it was a flash sale, but Pruvit made it permanent because everybody loves it. It tastes like strawberry candy, and it's delicious. Mix it with plain water. Next, we've got our Amped formula. Amped formula is Keto Max, but it has a little bit more ketones, and it also has twice the amount of caffeine. So this is the equivalent of 2 cups of coffee in the morning. If you're somebody who has a hard time getting started in the morning, this is gonna be perfect for you. It is also delicious. This one tastes like a pineapple-ish flavor, like pina colada-ish. It's really good. Last ketone is Keto Cost, Keto COS. This was the original keto formula, and it was a little more potent than they really wanted it to be, so they pulled it from the shelves. Occasionally, Pruvit will have a flash sale with Keto Cause, and I buy as many as I can because this formula is going to make you feel amazing. It does have a lighter orange taste than the orange swirl. Then we've got our Keto Calm fat burning tea, which is amazing. You drink this at night instead of your glass of wine. It helps you unwind, shake off the day, focus on your family, and it's going to put you into that fat burn mode so that you're burning fat all night long while you sleep. Last thing in the May special is this beauty. MCT 143. This is a packet of MCT oil. If you're new to the keto diet, you need MCT oil. You need healthy fats. This is such a good source because it is not stored on your body as fat. It is converted to energy quickly, and it's so versatile. It has a very, very mild coconut flavor. You can stir it into your coffee. You can drizzle it on top of your salads, stir it into soups, rip the packet off and suck it down. It doesn't really matter how you drink it, but this is going to help you get those perfect keto macros. I will post the link below to grab your May Experience package, and as long as the link is working, then I still have some available. Comment below and let me know what flavor you wish Pruvit would make. Can't wait for you to get started. Please remember to subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications for new videos.